Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Apps over here and click at this gear icon next to Apps. Then choose App Permissions and select one of the options. I will go for Microphone. Now click on this filter next to an app, for example Chrome. As you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone, but I can always deny it by tapping at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!